As a paralegal, what's most important to you? Is it to get great results consistently with less personal sacrifice? Well, sure it is. But you might say, how am I supposed to do that? I mean, despite the years of experience, all of your personal and professional development, you are slammed. You've got deadlines, last-minute overload, mundane tasks that gobble up all your valuable time. You'd like to reduce the burden, but every task seems like one that only you can complete properly. The fact is, you are irreplaceable, and that's one of the reasons that you love your job. But it's also the source of stress levels and personal sacrifices that sometimes can't or shouldn't be justified. Your time, all of it, should be spent doing what matters most: research, legal analysis, preparing for trial, and supporting your boss. But think about it. How much time do you spend doing Bates stamping, or organizing exhibits, or scheduling a remote depo? Hours. But there is a proven method for industrious paralegals like yourself that want to eliminate extraneous tasks and narrow their focus to what they're best at and to what they love. Embark on your path to becoming a high-efficiency, low-stress paralegal. Scroll down and schedule a 15-minute call to calculate exactly how much you'll save. You'll discover tools that were designed and built for you to free up your time, to get consistent results, and to reduce your stress. Hope to see you very soon.